everyone should be familiar with these. These are literally just little quick release clips, whatever you call them. You normally find them on like backpacks, and I was like, this would be a really useful print in case anyone breaks. And this is how they work. So you just grab them, easy, put it in until it clicks. There you go, it's clicked, now it's in. Really strong. To release it, you just press both sides of the fork one and take it out. Simple. And guys, please subscribe. We need to get to 800 subscribers soon if we want to make it to 1,000. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.